Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to share you how to apply for Vedantu as a teacher. It is a online teaching job. So in this video I am going to share you how to apply for a Vedantu as a teacher. So I will tell you how to apply online. So just go to Google, and in Google you can type Vedantu online teaching job. So first, to work with Vedantu we need to apply for this for interview process. So here I am typing Vedantu online teaching job and then go for search, and it will go to the website of Vedantu, and the first option is online teaching and tutoring jobs. This is a teacher recruiter Vedantu. Click on that, it will get to you the dashboard of Vedantu. So before going to apply, so let's see what is a Vedantu. Vedantu is an online teaching job. So you can teach the students through online, and you can share your knowledge and you will get paid for it. And it is the one of the trustable website, and what all you need is only you need computer or a mobile phone and internet. So if you have this, and you don't wait for it and just apply for it, and it is the good option to earn. What is the earning potential? So as they given, so from minimum 25,000 plus per month at 4 hours per day. So you can teach the student 4 hours per day, and up to 75,000 you can earn per month. So you can consider it as a full-time job also. So next, expectation from a teacher on a Vedantu. So what Vedantu expect from the teachers? So they need dedicated and passionate teachers, and they are willing to learn the new things. This is a one type of coding jobs. You are going to teach whichever subject you want, and you should be a dedicated minimum 3 hours of a daily availability on a Vedantu between 4 to 10 p.m. So then you should be in a position to learn the new things and create a new content. So what they expect from the teachers. And Vedantu expert our teachers to follow certain process to ensure excellent user experience, and we love to work as a team with our teachers, and you should be interact with the students, because we are sitting in a one corner and students in a sitting in other corner. We can't be reachable, so we are in a position to handle the student. And this is the interview process. The first process will be apply as a teacher. So before going to apply as a teacher, let's see what all the rounds are there for selection purpose. Second round, first once you apply, so if you shortlisted, then a second process will be initial screening. Our expert will screen the best profile. They will select the best profile, and after selecting that, they will email you about the next round. Next, teaching demo. They pick up a topic of your choice and give a teaching demo to our experts. So once they mail you if you are shortlisted, and they will tell you to pick up the any one topic and teach for 5 minutes. So when the selection is done, then there will be a documentation and profile creation. So once you selected in a fourth round, so you will be as a teacher in a Vedantu, and at the next moment you are going to teach in a Vedantu. You will become a teacher in Vedantu. So we'll go to first round, how to apply. So click on the apply now, and this dashboard will be open. Application for teaching with the Vedantu. This is one simple procedure. So you need to fill up this application form for a selection process. So first is a full name. You need to write your name and last name, and then the gender, and next it is a email you need to provide, and phone number, and highest qualification. For this, the qualification degree is must. So if you not completed degree, you are not able to apply. And specialization along with your college. So if you are in a specialization in a MA, MTech, and you need to specify the specialization with your college and university name, and year of experience in teaching. If you already a teacher, you need to write your experience. And next, primary selection subject of teaching. So in which subject you like to teach the students. There are many subjects, so if you not fulfill with this any subject, you can choose the option called others, and you can teach based on your subject. And second subject of a teaching, so there are many subjects: mathematics, physics, chemistry, biology, computer. So you can choose which subject you want to teach the students. And next, please mark which grade students you would like to teach. So there are different grades. So if you want to teach for pre-primary and 1 to 5th standard, 6 to 10 8th standard, if you want to go for a 2 option, you can choose the 2 options also. And next option is boards you can handle. So which board students you are able to handle, that you need to select. Next, hours you will be available per day for teaching with the Vedantu. So minimum 4 hours you need to available with Vedantu. So you need to mention, if you are more than 4 hours, you can mention there, and weekends hours also. And they are giving many options for available timing. So there is no fixed time you need to, as a school you need to go for morning 5 to morning 8 to 10, like that. So there are multiple times as per your availability, and you can select the multiple times also. And next, current occupation. So whether you are a full-time teacher or a freelancer, working professional, or a student, you need to mention. And date of birth. And next, type of internet connection. So if you are teaching online, so the internet connection will be must, and you can choose the internet connection. And you need to mention the download and upload speed of your internet if you are using mobile phone, any broadband and Wi-Fi. And next, screenshot of your internet speed. So if you are using mobile internet, so in your mobile you will get to know the speed of your internet. Take a screenshot and upload it. And your association with Vedantu is for, so if you go for a primary source of income, if you go for additional source of income, if you are already teacher, if you want to work additionally, you can choose. And if it is your only it is for a passion, you can select it as a pursue your passion. And your current location you need to mention. And how did you come to know about Vedantu, you need to mention. If you got to know from YouTube or any friends or any website, you need to mention. And at the end you need to upload the result. So this is the process how to apply for Vedantu. I hope this video will be useful. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, like and share.